In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a split screen effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. The first step, enable the safe margin on the program monitor. Select the rectangle tool from the toolbar. With this tool, I'm going to draw a shape that extends from the left edge of the safe margin toward the center of the screen. Switch back to the selection tool by clicking on this icon, and then go to the Essential Graphics panel. We can increase the corner radius using the Essential Graphics panel, which will smooth out the edges beautifully. Duplicate the graphic layer once after duplicating. I'll carefully drag the newly created shape to the right corner of the safe margin. We will selecting the All Graphic Layers. Right-click, choose Nest. Give this placeholder a meaningful name. Now we need to create a new adjustment layer in the Project panel. Drag and drop the adjustment layer onto the timeline. Go to Effects and apply Roughen Edges. Go to Effect Controls. Select the Roughen Edges. Apply Border 11, Edge Sharpness 10, Scale 18. Again, go to the Effects. Apply second time. Roughen Edges, change the edge type. Roughen to Rusty. Apply Border 23, Edge Sharpness 1.40, Scale 15. Go to the Effects, apply Gaussian Blur. Make the blurriness value around 3. Selecting Timeline, right-click, select Nest, give new name. Adjust the position of this timeline, creating a new color matte in the Project panel. We will choose a deep black color. Select the timeline, right-click, choose the nest, give name. Project panel. To begin, simply drag and drop one of the selected videos onto the timeline. The upper split screen overlay, locate the blending mode property and select multiply from the drop-down menu, resizing your video according to frame. Go to the Effects panel, search Crop, drag and drop on timeline. Go to Video, crop video. According to the frame, repeat this step on every video.